On the market today, there are several manufacturers of flap valves. Most flap valves are only tested in connection with a single pipeline between the vented vessels and the flap valve. These tests do not include the pipeline on the protected zone of the process. Without including the protected zone pipeline in certification testing, flap valves may not experience the same pressures and conditions during testing as they would in normal use. Test data proves the need for a pipeline on both sides of the flap valve to simulate the conditions according to intended use. Any test that does not include a pipe on the protected side of the flap valve has resulted in a certification and installation of flap valves that can fail. The very high oscillations in the pipeline come from the powerful closing of the flap, which converts dynamic pressure to static pressure and produces shock waves, the oscillations being much smaller in the vessel. In normal use, it is likely that the pressure on the protected side of the flap valve may briefly be higher than the pressure on the unprotected side, due to the high acoustic oscillations on both sides of the flap. So if the locking device is not prepared for a possible reopening, it can lead to a secondary explosion.